Want a jawline that turns heads? Then trust me, stick around till the end. You won't know unless you try, and I know you've got the guts to take action. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ready to transform? Tongue workout. Stick your tongue out straight, then lift just the tip. Imagine you're licking soft serve ice cream. Training your tongue helps tighten a double chin like magic.
Lift your cheeks, let go of care. Soft and light, just breathe it in. Let the glow begin again. Slow and steady, touch your skin. Feel the warmth, the spark within. Stretch and smile, lift the day. Let the tension drift away. Flow and shine, let the beauty grow. Lift and move, let the energy flow. Soft and
Power tongue lift.
breathe it out. Face yoga full of love.
Tilt your head back and point your tongue tip toward the ceiling. Hold it there. This tones your jawline beautifully.
Smooth and bright. Let the pressure feel just right. Behind the ear, a gentle grace. Feel the light upon your face. Flow and shine. Let the beauty grow. Lift and move. Let the energy flow. Soft and free. Breathe it out.
Tongue detox stretch. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, stick your tongue out as far as you can. This helps release facial tension and toxins.
Feel the gentle air. Lift your cheeks, let go of care. Soft and light, just breathe it in. Let the glow begin again. Slow and steady, touch your skin. Feel the warmth, the spark within. Stretch and smile, lift the day. Let the tension drift away. Flow and shine, let the beauty grow. Lift and move, let the energy flow. Soft and free, breathe.
Double chin tightening exercise.
Yoga full of love, no doubt.
Tilt your head back and say, UI with big mouth movements. This lifts under your chin and gives you a youthful look.
Let the beauty grow. Lift and move. Let the energy flow. Soft and free. Breathe it out. Face yoga full of love, no doubt. Trace your jaw.
Behind the ear massage for swelling.
Let the pressure feel just right. Behind the ear.
Press the hollow behind your ears and say, AU, AU. It boosts blood flow, reduces puffiness, and gives your skin a glow.
Keep the feeling true. Move with easeless. Flow and shine. Let the beauty grow. Lift and move. Let the energy flow. Soft and free. Breathe it out. Face yoga full of love, no doubt.
Jaw muscle massage with fists. Make a fist and press gently on your jaw muscles. Massage in small circles with comfortable pressure.
Breathe out, let the tension fade. Lift your cheeks, let the smile cascade. Roll your shoulders, stretch so wide. Feel the glow, let joy reside. Soft and smooth, let your skin shine bright. A little movement feels so right. Relax, release, let worries go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. Flow and flow, let the beauty rise. Lift in love, open up your eyes. Stretch and smile, feel the energy. Face yoga, set your spirit free.
Under chin massage. Pinch and massage the soft area under your chin. This helps release trapped waste and shapes your jawline beautifully.
Tap your temples, wake the skin, circle gently. Tap your temples, wake the skin, circle gently.
Tongue rotation exercise. Roll your tongue in a big circle along your gums, inside your mouth. It tones your tongue and lifts sagging cheeks.
Let the tension fade. Lift your cheeks, let the smile cascade. Roll your shoulders, stretch so wide. Feel the glow, let joy
Repeat on the other side.
soft and smooth, let your skin shine bright. A little movement feels so right. Relax, release, let worries go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow.
Collarbone massage. Massage the dip just above your collarbone in small circles. This drains toxins and brightens your face.
Glow and flow, let the beauty rise. A lift and love, open up your eyes. Stretch and smile.
Neck and shoulder stretch. Press the center of your shoulder with 2 fingers. Gently tilt your head side to side. Stretch until it feels good.
Let your cheeks begin to rise. Move your tongue from left to right. Let your beauty shine so bright. Circle lips, say you then me. Feel the stretch, just let it be.
Sternocleidomastoid massage.
Breathe in deep, love yourself, your soul will keep.
Massage the long neck muscle from top to bottom with light pressure. It helps lymph flow and lifts your face.
Smile, find your pace. Shine inside, glow with pride. You're enough, no need to hide. Pout it out and raise your chin. Draw a circle with your grin. Feel the flow beneath your skin. Love begins from deep within. Let's move that face, stretch with grace.
Repeat on the other side.
Smile, find your pace. Shine enough, no need to hide, no need to hide, no need to hide. Smile for you, not just the world. Let your beauty be unfurled. Every day just take this time, stretch and sing, you're doing fine. Let's move that face, stretch with grace, tongue and smile, find your pace, shine inside.
Slowly roll your neck in big circles. Your neck and face are connected. Feel the stretch under your chin, it's all linked.
In your eyes, let your cheeks begin to rise. Move your tongue from left to right. Let your beauty shine so bright. Circle lips, say U then E. Feel the stretch, just let it be. Lift your face and breathe in deep. Love yourself, your soul will keep. Let's move that face, stretch with grace, tongue and smile, find your pace. Shine inside, glow with pride. You're enough, no need to hide. Pout it out and raise your chin. Draw a circle with your grin. Feel the flow beneath your skin. Love begins from deep within. Let's move that face, stretch with grace, tongue and smile, find your pace. Shine inside, glow with pride. You're enough, no need to hide. Pout it out and raise your chin. Draw a circle with your grin. Feel the flow beneath your skin. Love begins from deep within. Let's move that face, stretch with
Have a great day. If you did it, leave a comment and let me know.
Do this twice a day, morning and night, as a daily routine. If you cannot do it, you can do it in the gap. Let's make it a habit together. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like our channel. We did it! We are also waiting for your comments. See you again. Bye.